it's okay because it's too hot. Going out for a walk and just explore the kind of place where you got shops and the beach. It is 6:30 and yeah, let's go out. Not gonna take the bike. We'll go on foot. That's it. I think there is a button here. Do you press it? Oh, okay, right, okay. And then you come. Okay, that is great. Red boy's here. Needs a much needed rest. Okay, what I can look at the mountain and those fields. What I can guess is we go straight and then right and then left. Let's do that. Let's see if we can get somewhere. So after walking about good leisurely, like not a brisk walk but a leisure walk for about 10 minutes, and you get to this place, and this apparently takes you all the way down to the beach. You can see that from here. The beach is visible, so we're gonna walk down to the beach.
Say goodbye. I could never imagine.
Nice, sounds like a nice music and song. So you might have realized it that the audience was pretty all kind of retired or semi-retired, I would say. Okay. You might also realize that there are lots of English-speaking tourists here, in here, and also in Playa Blanca. So that's what it is. So this part of hello, hi, are you okay? Thank you. So you might have also realized that this part of Lanzarote is quite popular with British tourists. Oh, you come here, look at this. Oh wow, what a beautiful place. Wow. Okay, about 10 minutes walk and we are here. So very nice shops. And look at this view. Look at this view. Let's go to the other side. Okay. And in here you got a beautiful sandy beach. Of course here is a bit rocky. Of course that makes the landscape and the beach more interesting. We got the golden sand. Oh, look at that place. Let's go down there. That is beautiful. That is beautiful place. Like it. And the cactus plants. Let's see there. Let's walk down. Got nice cafes and bars here. It's a very convenient place. So barely 10 minutes. If you brisk walk, I think it's barely, like, I would say 6 or 7 minutes. Very nice. And look at this from here. You can go to the beach as well through these rocks. Let's see if we want that. Okay, let's walk down a little bit further. Look at this huge cactus trees. Amazing. Oh wow. Oh wow. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Oh, at this time it looks amazing. Oh, the beach looks stunning at this time. Wow, look at that. That's a very big beach. Very nice. Beautiful. That looks like a beautiful beach, and I mean it's not just only sand but also you got these huge rocks. Look at these rocks and look at the formation. It's like the lava had just, you know, cooled off, and this is what happened. So it's basically a lava kind of rocks. You can see that, and it's solid rock, solid like a metal. Ooh, look at the shapes. Look at the shapes of these rocks. Amazing. And you come out, it's a beautiful walk here on the beach. Wow, what a place. What an amazing place. Oh, the setting sun. Quite a big beach. Yeah, it's very nice. At this time everything looks golden, like the beach, the sun, the shadows. Look at these huge rocks. I'm sure the water has receded already, so I mean definitely in the morning it will be all the way up here, and these rocks will be submerged in seawater. Quite nice, beautiful place. Look at these rocks. Of course you get this time when the water is receding, you can walk through them. Look, they've got all these weird looking shapes. The cool down lava. Amazing. American Indian cafe. Looks quite popular. We are just strolling down the street, casually looking around. We might. Oh, this one is nice as well. The Grill Steakhouse. The Grill Steak, Asian Garden. Oh, thank you. Oh, okay, thank you very much. I'm just kind of strolling up and down the street. Maybe later on. Thank you. Yes. Thank you. You. The canes. Not really hungry, but you know, sit somewhere, and I'm just waiting for the sunset. So I thought, since I'm here, I'll capture. You're right. I'll capture the sunset. It is 7:30. So let's see. Oh, these restaurants, they are really busy. Route 66. That's a nice one. I think another half an hour and then we're gonna have the sunset. We'll try to find a nice place to capture that. Loads of shopping kind of malls and restaurants. I thought it was a very small kind of a small town. It's quite big. It is big. Oh, all these restaurants, they are packed with tourists. Dinner time already.
Pues ya estoy pensando
Okay. Let's cross over to the other side. So this side is more interesting. Ooh, the sunset. Let's see how much time we have got till the sunset. Maybe another half an hour. What are the dates? So this goes on and on and on. Let's head back to the very place where we were earlier on. Find some nice place to enjoy the sunset. That's more important. I think another 20 minutes. The sun is gonna be going down. And since the sky is all clear, it's gonna be a beautiful sunset. Let's find the right place.